There he goes, boy, he is running. Didn't bend that rod. Gotta get some shots of you.
I will.
Still haven't seen it. Staying down. I'm predicting over 10 pounds. Oh, here it comes. This is a bobber. Still 4 or 5 feet down. Saw a glimpse of it. That bobber's tangled. It's not good. Be easy on it. I could easily snap the line. Wrapped around the...
It's a bass.
What?
No, it's been staying down. You're right, catfish. Okay.
It was about the same size as that one I caught last night.
Yeah, I saw the back side
No,
of it going
this
down.
one's bigger. Look how much fatter it is. We'll get him up and have a good look at him, I think. Shouldn't be a problem. Alright, if he doesn't break a line, I don't think it will. This will be 8-9 pounds. Look at that.
Yep.
Mr. Channel Cat. Alright. There's a hook out right there. We're going to give him a flying lesson. Ready for some contact action, everybody? What's the magic word? Contact! No. Ah!